This is my dog Penny. I adopted her about 3 years ago from a local shelter. She had been a return, meaning people adopted her and returned her for whatever reasons it didn't work out with them. Penny originally came from a shelter in Mississippi, and she's very quirky. We wanted to know what her breed makeup was, so we did a test. My nieces and I got a DNA testing kit from EMBARK. I'll put everything in the description box. And I talked about it earlier, but I wanted to share the results. So if you didn't see any of the earlier videos, these are the actual results of what Penny's breed makeup is from the test. So you can see Penny is 41.4% super mutt. That means she has been from several generations of mixed breed dogs, that being the 5 breeds is Jack Russell type terrier, German Shepherd dog, which was really something I wasn't expecting, Dachshund. That does explain her long body, I will say that. Chihuahua, which many of you guys guessed she was part Chihuahua. Even my nieces thought she was part Chihuahua. And American Eskimo dog. I don't know anybody that thought American Eskimo, but her curly tail does lend to that. She is also 21.9% rat terrier, which makes a lot of sense, and I know a lot of you guessed terrier, terrier breed, or Jack Russell. 19.6 Pomeranian. That one shocked me, but as I read about her personality, and every one of these breeds showed the personalities, it made sense to me. 5.9% American Pit Bull Terrier, which is a bigger dog compared to Penny's size. 5.7% Golden Retriever. She does love to play catch. 5.5% Toy Fox Terrier. That one was interesting to me. She also showed up to have 1.3% Wolf. What was cool about this process is we were given updates through email as Penny's test went through a genotyping, analyzing, and etc. There are so much information on their website once you get your results, information about all the different breeds. There's even a spot where you can check to see if there are any relatives to your pet based on the DNA. We did find 2 dogs that were in the database already that were as close as first cousins based on their DNA. One had a picture on it and it did not look like Penny, but it did. It was a different size dog, but the faces were the same, which was really interesting. Overall, it took about 2 weeks to get our results back after we mailed the cheek swab, the testing kit, back to them, and it was a simple cheek swab. I really enjoyed the process. My nieces enjoyed the process, reading up about all the different breeds. And I think if I got another dog in the future, I would do this again just because I really enjoyed learning more about my dog. And it kind of, I don't want to say gave closure, but it explained a lot. And I really did think it was a good value for what we paid, honestly, with all the information that I got. They actually include the DNA paperwork for your records. They'll send it to your vet. And there's other types of tests. They can test for health issues, genetic conditions as well, which I did not pay for or did not want to pursue at this moment. So it was really good. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys also enjoyed the process and finding out what Penny is. Thanks so much for playing along with us, and we hope you have an excellent day. And if this is something you'd consider doing with your dog, let us know. All right, thanks again, guys. Bye-bye.